My name is Dr. Radhakrishnan. I am a pediatric cardiologist and I'm from the Fortis Escort Heart Institute at New Delhi. Well, there is only two ways of closing an ASD. Either you close it with surgery or you close it with what is known as a device. Now, for a hole to be suitable for a device closure, you have to fulfill certain criteria by echocardiography. Basically, it includes that you should have good margins all around the defect in order to be suitable for closing. But we take into consideration a lot of other factors before we decide that an ASD is suitable for a device closure.